आज का सवेरा ये कल को बढ़ेगा, सब भाई बंधु मेरे समाज को मिलेगा। ये ज्ञान वाली बातचीत ध्यान दे के बात सीखो, शुरू है सफर जो तू पहला कदम लेगा। अब बदलेंगे आज तब बदलेगा कल, बचाने को ये मौसम निकाले कोई हल। लगाए जब पेड़ तब मिलेगा हाँ फल, कभी ना कभी हम भी होंगे सफल। नया पुराना ये वक्त हमारा, चलो सुधारे मिलकर साथ में मौसम सारा।
And on this rainy and serene day of celebrating the Vana Mahotsav 2025, I welcome and I wish all the students, teaching fraternity, and one and all present here to make this occasion a successful one and it should. So, the very special day is here, and we have our special guest. You can see here. So, I request each and everyone to welcome our Ranger ma'am and the associates with a bunch of claps. We have Saumitra sir, Emeritus Prof, to share his precious words. Please, sir. Saumitra sir. Thank you, sir. Respected madam, respected guardians, respected teachers, and all our students. Muna Sumanta Kumar, Tanki Ranger mu Amo Jamu Jodana Jawai Rotimeter. So, ଯେମିତିକି ଆପଣମାନେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆଜି 76th
ବନ ମହୋତ୍ସବ ବି ପାଳନ କରାଯାଉଛି। ତ ହେଟା ତ 1 ରୁ 7 ଜାଗା।
Good afternoon, students. And respected guests over here and my colleagues. As you know, we have gathered here to celebrate 76th Van Mahotsav. Okay. So now I would like to tell you a story. It's not a story exactly. It's a historical fact you should all must be aware of. Have you heard of Chipko movement? Anybody? How many of you raise your hand? Okay, good. Chipko movement was a movement student started in Uttarakhand. Okay, there what happened, few contractors, they came to cut down the trees. So the ladies over there, what they did, they surrounded the tree. Okay, they surrounded the tree and prevented them from cutting the trees. So such was the sacrifice. Okay, it is celebrated till now. So you, as a future generation, you should be aware of all this. There are a lot of stories like this. Even in Rajasthan, the Bisnoy community. You know, have you heard Khejri village, Khejri trees? They protected it. So once the king's men, soldiers, they came to cut down the trees. So what these people did, they also formed a chain or a protective layer to prevent the tree from falling down, cutting down. And in that process, around 300 people died. Okay, so we should not forget their sacrifice, students, and we should keep continuing to protect our environment, trees, and our earth. Because, students, at the end of the day, we have one planet, and that we have to save collectively. Okay? Thank you, everyone.
A very warm afternoon to everyone present here, including the respected teachers, guests, and my dear friends. So, we are very excited to present our group song, Vriksha Lagao, on this occasion of Van Mahotsav. So, our song basically aims to plant trees in such a large scale. So, without wasting your time, here we go. वृक्ष लगाओ, वन उपवन महकाओ। वृक्ष लगाओ, वन उपवन महकाओ। चंदन से इस धरती को, चंदन से इस धरती को सुंदर तुम बनाओ, सुंदर तुम वन महकाओ। छाया हमको ये देते हैं, फल ये हमको देते हैं। बाढ़ से हमको ये है बचाते, प्रदूषण दूर हटाते हैं। धरती माँ का रूप सजाते, देते हैं फल फूल हमें। वृक्ष बड़े उपकारी है, इनसे प्यार करो। वृक्ष बड़े उपकारी है, इनसे प्यार करो। वृक्ष लगाओ, वन उपवन महकाओ।
चलो के लेते हैं ये कसम, चलो के लेते हैं ये कसम। एक पेड़ तुम लगाओ और एक हम, ये अभियान चलाएंगे घर घर जाके हम। मिल जाए हम साथ अगर, उज्जवल होगा अपना कल। उत्तम होगा सारा जहां, श्रेष्ठ बनेगा वतन। चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम। एक पेड़ तुम लगाओ, एक और एक हम। चलो मिलके, चलो मिलके प्राण वायु से चलेंगे जिंदगी। आओ जिंदगी कर लो अपना जो करम है सच्चा तो एक धर्म है कर लो अपना जो करम है सच्चा एक धर्म है पर्यावरण बचाने को करेंगे हर जतन कुदरत की रक्षा के लिए उठाएंगे हर कदम चलो मिलके चलो मिलके चलो मिलके चलो मिलके थैंक यू
And now we have the last person to join. Our support selector.
सुरेंद्र सर के आज फोन आया है सुरेंद्र सर को बोलते हैं आज फोन आ रहा है और घूम के बना सकते हैं वीडियो
हेलो भारत माता की और थोड़ा ऊपर आवाज में थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि एक आवाज एक बहुत ही फराक की आवाज है ये आवाज दूर दूर तक सुनाई देना चाहिए नरेंद्र मोदी जी अभी शरण में है
which ultimately gives us a clean air to breathe and make us our mind filled with positivity while studying in our classroom also. Because जहाँ हरियाली है वहाँ ही खुशहाली है, जहाँ हरियाली है वहाँ ही खुशहाली है. Grow healthy and save in life. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next to her, we have our
To the planet, providing oxygen and purifying the air. They are the guardians of our vastly spread biodiversity, centering countless species and maintaining ecological balance. As we celebrate Van Mahotsav, let's reflect in our relationship with nature. Let's acknowledge the sacrifice that trees make for us, standing silently through storms, absorbing pollutants and providing sustenance. It's the time for providing, it's the time for giving back to nature and neuter the forest.